This is Ben Fordham Live with Sydney's best breakfast on 2GB 873.
Well, Shane Drumgold is a goner. The ACT Chief Prosecutor has been torn to shreds over his failed case against Bruce Lehrmann. It follows a public inquiry, and you've got to remember this public inquiry was actually instigated by Shane Drumgold himself. Wouldn't he be regretting that right now? The findings against Mr. Drumgold are scathing. Inquiry head Walter Sofronoff KC has found that Shane Drumgold knowingly lied to the Supreme Court. Keep in mind, this guy is the Chief Prosecutor of the ACT, and it's been found that he knowingly lied to the Supreme Court. Other findings include that Shane Drumgold constructed a false narrative to support a claim of legal professional privilege. He was wrong to block Mr. Lehrmann's lawyers from having access to a report by the federal police, which revealed holes in Brittany Higgins' evidence. Mr. Drumgold preyed on a junior lawyer's inexperience and shamefully tried falsely to attribute blame to them. He failed in his duty as a prosecutor to warn the TV host Lisa Wilkinson about her speech at the Logies. Walter Sofronoff has found that there was not a single piece of evidence that anyone had applied pressure upon Brittany Higgins that could legitimately be described as strong political forces. He advanced nothing resembling evidence to support the serious allegations levelled against the police, Lehrmann's lawyers, and Linda Reynolds. My goodness. Now, we've been saying for a long time, Shane Drumgold is finished. He's cooked. And he's been on leave for a number of months now. I don't think he'll be returning. He should just put his cue in the rack today and say, that's it, I'm gone, I'm out. And it's amazing that he called the inquiry. The details of the report have been published in The Australian today, and it is quite extraordinary. Janet Albrechtsen has been doing a lot of heavy lifting on this, aided by Stephen Rice at The Australian, and it's all there in black and white today. So you'll be hearing more about it through the morning. The findings are shocking but not surprising if you've been following the case. It is game over for the ACT Chief Prosecutor. In a statement, Bruce Lehrmann has told Channel 7, this is overwhelming and alarming reading. It's a credit to Mr. Sofronoff and his team for pulling back the covers and exposing what a dark chapter this has been. Shane Drumgold has been on leave for months. I think it's fair to say that his leave is going to be permanent.